हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू स्टिल लर्निंग विद भारती। तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे कंप्यूटर के मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच की ऑन ए विंडोज कीबोर्ड सेट्स टू फुल स्क्रीन मोड इन मोस्ट ब्राउजर्स? F1, F10, F11 or F12? So right answer is F11. F11 is used to exit and enter full screen mode on browser, and F1 is used for help, and F10 is used for activate the menu bar on ribbon in MS Word, and Shift plus F10 is used for same as राइट क्लिक ऑन डेस्कटॉप। कैसे यूज होता है शिफ्ट प्लस F10? सेम एज राइट क्लिक ऑन डेस्कटॉप। एंड F12 इज यूज्ड टू ओपन सेव एज डायलॉग बॉक्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज स्पीड ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क इज मेजर्ड इन। हार्ड डिस्क की स्पीड किस में मेजर की जाती है? हर्ट्स में, मेगाबिट में, फ्लॉप्स में या फिर आरपीएम में? सो राइट आंसर इज आरपीएम। स्पीड ऑफ हार्ड डिस्क इज measured in RPM. It is a technique that is used to send more than one call over a single line. Digital transmission, infrared transmission, digitizing, streaming or multiplexing. So right answer is multiplexing. Multiplexing is a technique that is used to send more than one call over a single line, and multiplexing is sharing of a medium and its link by two or more devices. Next question is by default zoom percentage in MS Word is. So by default zoom percentage MS Word में कितनी होती है? 100, 200, 300, 400 और 500. So right answer is 100. And minimum zoom percentage होती है 10 and maximum zoom percentage होती है 400. Among these name the sequential access device: magnetic tape, floppy disk, hard disk or pen drive. So right answer is magnetic tape. Magnetic tape is the sequential access device. Among these name the random access device: CD, DVD, hard disk or all of these. So right answer is all of these. CD, DVD, hard disks are the random access devices. Blank CD is also called as CDR, CD-ROM, CD-WORM, CDRW. So right answer is CDR, and CDR stands for compact disc recordable and is blank CD. Next question is which storage device uses ribbon for data storage? Magnetic tape, CD, DVD or hard disk? So right answer is magnetic tape. Magnetic tape uses ribbon for data storage. Which file stars MS Word? Word.exe, MSWord.exe, Word 2003.exe, WinWord.exe or none of these? So right answer is WinWord.exe. WinWord.exe file stars MS Word. Next question is which displays the grammatical error in a document? Green line, blue line, black line, red line or black line? So right answer is green line. Green line displays the grammatical error in a document. Which type of data cable is not used in hard disk? PATA, SATA, BATA or SCSI? So right answer is BATA. BATA is not used in hard disk. Next question is which is not included as main component of CPU. Register set, ALU, control or IO device. So right answer is IO device. IO device stands for input output device. Register set, ALU and control units are the components of central processing unit. Which of the following is the largest manufacturer of hard disk drives? Seagate, IBM, Microsoft or 3M? So right answer is Seagate. Seagate is the largest manufacturer of hard disk drives. Founder of hard disk is, हार्ड डिस्क के फाउंडर कौन है? जैक किल्बी, जॉन मैककार्थी, रेनॉल्ड बी जॉनसन और जॉन वॉन न्यूमैन. सो राइट आंसर इज रेनॉल्ड बी जॉनसन is the founder of hard disk. Which of the following components displays the contents of active cell? Name box, formula bar, menu bar, status bar or worksheet? So right answer is formula bar. Formula bar displays the content of active cell. एक्टिव सेल के कंटेंट कहाँ डिस्प्ले होते हैं? फॉर्मूला बार में. द वर्ड काउंट command on the tools menu displays the number of words as well as the number of dash in the current document. Lines, characters, paragraphs or all of the above? So right answer is all of the above. The word count command on the tools menu displays the number of words as well as the number of lines, characters, paragraph in the current document. Next question is, what is the normal speed of hard disk? Hard disk की normal speed क्या होती है? कितनी होती है? 5400 RPM, 7200 RPM, 10,000 RPM, 15,000 RPM. So right answer is 7200 RPM is the normal speed of hard disk. Hard disk is made up of circular plates, aluminium, magnetic material or all of these? So right answer is all of these. Hard disk is made up of circular plates, aluminium and magnetic material. So that's all for today guys. If this video is helpful for you then please do like, share and subscribe this channel.